everyone. I am representing the Sharjah American International School. Today I will introduce the Arduino and I will show you all of its parts and explain it one by one. As you can see here, there's two parts for the Arduino. First, I'm going to open one side to show you the book. Here you will find different circuits and the parts and their names, instructions, and how to download the program, the Arduino program itself. So I think it's going to help you a lot. Now I'm going to open the other side of the kit. As you can see here, we have the USB cable that we connect the Arduino to the laptop with or computer. These are different parts that you can connect to the Arduino to do different kinds of circuits. I will tell you their names one by one later on. This is a part called servo, and we have two kinds of resistors, 330 resistor and 10K resistor. We have some LED light bulbs, LCD. This small piece is called integrated circuit. And this is the breadboard or the Arduino itself. And this is the breadboard, and we connect them with each other with these jump wires. And we also have this screwdriver. As I said earlier, I'm going to tell you the specific names of these parts. First of all, this is the delay motor. This is the piezo element. This is something called the relay. We have two push buttons, a potentiometer, and these tiny two things are the diodes. A photoresistor, flex sensor, soft potentiometer, an LED light, different than these LED lights. LED stands for light emitting diode. And finally, these tiny things, three tiny things. We have two of them that are the same and one is different. The two that are the same are called the transistors, and the different one is the temperature sensor. To know which one is the temperature sensor, in the back there will be three letters which are TMP. Temp is for temperature, and that is how we know the temperature sensor from the transistors. As I said earlier, these are the jump wires. We have 7 different colors to differentiate and not to get mixed up while putting them in the Arduino or the breadboard. There's another thing I wanted to say, that how to differentiate between the 330 resistor and the 10K resistor. They have the same shape but different colors. Because they are very small, I'm going to show them to you in the book. The 330 resistor will have light green, brown, orange, and orange. The 10K will have green, orange, black, brown. And that's the difference between them both. So, as you can see here, this is the 330 resistor, and this is the 10K resistor. Now I'm going to show you how to build circuit 2. First, we need to get the parts to build the circuit. We need the USB cable to connect the laptop to the Arduino with. In the book, you can see that we need 1 potentiometer, 1 LED light, 330 resistor, and 6 jump wires. And of course, the Arduino. So let's get... This is the potentiometer. This is the LED light. The 330 resistor. And the 6 jump wires. I'm gonna get different colors so we don't get mixed up. In the book you can see that they used red, black, green, pink, orange and blue. Here I have no pink, so I'm gonna use white instead of pink. Red, black, pink, which is white, green, blue, and orange. And the Arduino. And that's what we need. Let's start building. On the next page you can see exactly where to put the wires and the resistor, the 330 resistor, the LED and the potentiometer. But here we're going to start with the potentiometer. Here it is not exactly shown. So in the previous page you can see here that there are 3 spaces where they are highlighted. It's going to be in A, 6, 7 and 8. So let's start putting it in A, 6, 7 and 8. Like that. Then we're going to place the LED. The LED, as you can see here, there is positive and negative. The long one, this is the positive and this is the negative. So as they placed it here, it's placed in 20 and 21 H. So we're going to place it in H, 20 and 21, like that. Then we're going to place the resistor. The resistor comes in a straight line. We're going to bend it. It's easy to bend. To make sure it goes in the 2 parts, which are 21J, and from the 4th group, negative in the 2nd place. There you go. And now we're going to put the jump wires. First I'm going to start with the red wire that is placed in 5V in the Arduino 5V, and the black is in the ground, and the green is at A0. So the red we're gonna put it in the positive, and the last one in J here, and the negative next to it, the black next to it in the negative. And the green, it's gonna be placed in E7. E7. And the pink, which is the white, is in 13, the Arduino. And in 20 above the resistor, 20J. The blue wire is in E6 with the first group in the negative second place, and the orange is in E8 in the second group, last place positive. And that's it. To download the Arduino software, follow the steps in the book. I'm going to show you how to launch the software. The first thing that's going to come up is this. So you go to File, Examples, SIK Guide Code, Circuit 2. As you can see here, in the circuit 2, everything in the gray color is ignored by the Arduino. So and it is all explanations you have to read to understand. Now, as you can see, this is the void setup, which is here, but we need to put these two, which are in black and orange, before them. We have to put them in order, and we have to put everything equals 0 semicolon, then enter int LED pin. Even though if it any capital letter, we have to put it in capital, semicolon. Then we go to the void setup. As I said, these in gray color are ignored. You can keep them or delete them as you wish. We are going to now write. You have to be opening this kind of bracket or parenthesis, and we write here pin mode. The P is not capital, so it's like that. LED pin, output, close brackets, semicolon. After writing the codes, make sure to verify it so that you make sure there are no mistakes in your codes. If you see a red color here, that means that there is a mistake in the code, and it is going to highlight the mistake. So after that, we need to connect it to the Arduino. If it did not start automatically like this, then just press here, which is upload, and it's going to upload it and start working. So as you can see here, and that is how to build circuit 2, and these are the results that you have just seen. I'm just gonna turn off the lights. Thank you for listening to us, and this project was supervised by Mr. Shady Elkassas.